How to delete your account on HelloTalk app. Hi everybody, I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll show you guys how can you delete your account on HelloTalk. If you want to delete your account, you have to follow the simple steps. But before that, make sure to update your application. So go to your Play Store, and on the search box, you want to type in Hello app or HelloTalk and check for an update. After updating it, click the open button and then log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, this is how it's going to look like. And here what you have to do is click the me icon or the profile from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. After you've done it, click the gear icon from the top right hand side corner. Then you'll be able to see this sort of page. So here you want to go to account, and when you go to account, at the bottom of the page you will find delete account. Press that. As soon as you do that, you could see the lot of information. So here you want to go ahead and make sure to mark on the terms and condition and click on delete. Once you do it, there will be this sort of information as deleting your account will void your VIP and courses services, and clearly all HD coin, diamonds and items will be deleted as well. So if you're sure about it, click the delete button and then you'll have successfully deleted your account on HelloTalk app. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.